Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Management. Following that, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. And as you can see, some smart typing options are over here. To manage them, tap on the switches next to the chosen ones, or tap on the chosen one and adjust it. When you're ready, you can tap on more typing options at the bottom over here and manage all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!